morning, Year 1. Now today in geography we are going to be looking at what we need to pack in a suitcase if we are going for a trip to a hot place or a cold place. Now Izzy is planning a holiday to a hot place and a cold place, so you need to help her choose which clothes would be best to take with her. So let's have a look at what items of clothing we've got. We've got some sunglasses, we've got some warm gloves, some flip-flops, a swimming costume, some wellies, and a thick waterproof coat. Now, what do you think? Where do you think the different items of clothing will go? Do you think they're going to the hot holiday suitcase or the cold holiday? Just pause the video here and have a chat with your grown-up about where each item of clothing will go. Okay? Did you get them right? So we've got in the hot holiday suitcase, we've got some sunglasses to protect your eyes from the hot sun. We've got some flip-flops. And we've got a swimming costume in case we want to go swimming everywhere. In the cold holiday, we've got some warm gloves to keep our hands warm, some boots to keep our feet dry, and a nice warm waterproof coat in case it rains. What other clothes might you pack for a hot or cold holiday? Pause the video here and just have a chat with your grown-up about what other things we might have forgotten in our suitcase. Okay, once you've thought about all of the different things that you're going to take on holiday, I want you to do an activity now. We're going to fill the suitcases with items that you would take on holiday. So somewhere hot, see the little sunshine tag, that's somewhere hot. And then somewhere cold, where the little snowflake tag is. Okay, so we're going to scroll down and we can see lots of different items of clothing and objects that we might take. So, in order for you to pack your suitcase, you need to get your first item, decide what it is. So we've got some warm fluffy boots. Do you think you would need the warm fluffy boots in a hot place or a cold place? I think you'd need them in a cold place, wouldn't you, to keep your feet warm. So we're going to drag it up and we're going to put it in the cold place suitcase. Okay? Let's think of something that we might take if we're going somewhere hot. Now there's two different types of glasses here. These are skiing glasses, so it's still sunny up in the snowy mountains when you go skiing, and these are just normal sunglasses. So I think that these ones would go in the hot place. So we'll drag this one up to the hot place suitcase. There we go. Now if you'd like to, you can print these pages out and you can cut and stick them instead. But this is just for those people who would rather do it this way. Okay, so that's your activity today. I'm looking forward to seeing your full suitcases. Okay?